He ain't afraid at all, though. Not him. He ain't afraid. Harrison's not afraid at all. Hey, girl, come here. She's curious.
Say, I want to play with the chicken. I ain't gonna let you touch it though. She might buck you. She might peck you, but you have to see that chicken.
That chicken want that bread, yo. Yeah.
Yeah, but playing on the phone. Is that Harrison? Hey, bud.